A stretchy bind-off for the 2x2 rib. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you a super easy stretchy bind-off for the 2x2 rib. When you use the standard bind-off or cast-off method for double ribbing, your edge just isn't stretchy enough. Often you notice this when you knit hats or socks. So here's a super easy alternative. Start by knitting 2 stitches. Now for a normal bind-off you would lift this stitch over the first one. We are not doing this. Instead you insert the left needle into these 2 stitches again and we knit them together through the back loop like this. Knit them together through the back loop. And now purl 1 stitch, then insert the left needle into these 2 stitches again, and now purl these 2 stitches together. Purl them together. And the next stitch is a purl stitch, so purl it, and then you insert your left needle into these 2 stitches again, and you purl them together. The next stitch is a knit stitch, so you knit it, and you insert your left needle into these 2 stitches again and you knit them together through the back loop. And I guess you're seeing a pattern now, so the next stitch is a knit stitch and you knit it and then you knit them together through the back loop. So the difference compared to a normal bind off is quite simple. So you knit every stitch the way it appears. So this is a purl stitch, so I purl it. And if you purled the last stitch, then you purl the 2 stitches on your needle together. And so one more time, purl and purl these 2 stitches together. And if the next stitch is a knit stitch, so it has this little V here, you knit it, and if you knit the last stitch, you knit it together through the back loop. And that's already it. This method creates a very stretchy bind-off for the 2x2 rib, and it's very easy if you ask me. Anyway, I hope I was able to show you how to knit a stretchy bind-off for the 2x2 rib. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, comment with your questions, and of course consider subscribing to my channel in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting!